Pancake making. Self-rising flour plus sugar and then a bit more baking powder to make them fluffy. Making the milk using lemon to make it into buttermilk makes the pancakes more fluffy. Add a bit of vanilla for flavour, you can add a bit of salt if you want. Then the egg replacement is flax seeds mixed with water, that's powdered flax seeds. A bit of butter and melt it down. You can actually do without this if you use a lot of oil in the pan. Mix all the wet ingredients together. So you've got a large jug of that to pour into the dry ingredients. Mix roughly together. You don't actually need to worry about lumps. Leave it to stand for a few minutes so it all starts bubbling. Should be a sort of thickish material. And then put into the pan and fry. When it bubbles through, flip them over. That's the plain pancakes. It's always good if you add some blueberries, and then you can make blueberry pancakes, which are even more delicious and look like this.